What's up, guys? This is Golden Apple here, and today we're going to be opening this. Now you may be asking, what are these? Are these pieces of garbage? Why haven't you thrown them away yet? Huh? Huh? Huh, the Golden Apple? Huh? Well, they're not garbage, and I'm not throwing them away. This is why. If you just look really closely at this box, real quickly look, you could see Rubik's Cubes. Okay? If you look on this one, you could see a little kitty in a box with the little fish bone thing. Now you see these two. I'm going to open these up, okay? So let's start with this kitty box. I'm sorry I've already opened this up. I need to grab one of my coins that are randomly scattered on the floor over here, guys. I have like 100 coins that are scattered on the floor. Okay. So you pulled out a penny, right? Well, I don't know how to describe how cute this is. So I put in batteries and everything. It's like a strawberry box, you know? Watch this. Hello! It's so cute. Look at that. And it's just this little box with a kitty inside of it. Look at, you can even go like this kind. Look at him. So cute. Anyways, let's move that to the side. Now really what you're probably wanting to see is these. Now I have not even touched these yet. These are all speed cubes. So what it is a 1x1, 2x2, I mean not a 1x1, a 2x2, 2x2, okay, so we've got a 3x3, let's go, come on. A 3x3. By the way, these are speed cubes. So if you think they're no different than a normal Rubik's Cube, look at how fast they move. Oh man, so smooth. A 4x4. Yes, that's right, you heard it, 4x4. Look at that. This one's smooth. And, by the way, this 2x2 is really smooth too. And it also came with this cleaner. And also it came with a stand that says Playwin on it. It came with a screwdriver. By the way, go check out Playwin and go buy their product. It's amazing, guys. And we've got a little bag to hold our Rubik's Cube. This was $11. I'm not joking. Let's open up the 5x5 real quick. But anyways, this was $11. This is probably